Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of using the Geonection app. Whether you want to stay connected with friends and family or keep track of your loved ones' locations, this app has got you covered. So, let's dive in. How to install and register Geonection. First of all, download Geonection app from the official website or app store and install it on your cell phone. Then, after entering the app, you need to register an account. However, if you already have an account with Wondershare products, you can log in directly. After completing the registration and logging into the app will prompt you to get permission to access the location information of your phone. Your locations shared to friends and family are end-to-end encrypted. No one outside of your circle, not even Geonection, will know them. After that, you need to set an avatar and nickname for your account. Here, you can start using Geonection app. How to share location and view shared location. Before you can share or view location info among your friends or family, you need to create a circle. In Geonection, circle is a function similar to a group. You can create different circles to share your location information with different people. How to create a circle. First, tap the plus button on the main screen. Then in the pop-up pane below, you can choose to create a circle or join an existing circle. After tapping Create Circle, you will go to the next screen. Here, you can choose to create a permanent circle or a circle that will expire in 3 days. Then you can name the circle and finally tap the Create button. The next screen will show you a unique circle code that you can share with your friends or family by tapping the Send button. How to join a circle. Tap Join Circle button, and on the next screen, you need to enter a circle code, which is a 6-digit number or letter that your friend shared with you. In addition, by tapping the directory button in the upper right corner of the interface, you can see all circles that waiting for the admin's confirmation to join. How to manage circles. By tapping the gear button at the top upper, you can change the circle name, view the circle type, manage the circle members, hide your location, or share your precise or approximate location, and leave or delete the circle. How to view shared location. After creating or entering a circle, you can see the name of the current circle at the top of the main interface, and you can find all the circles if tapping the circle drop-down box. The main interface is a map, which shows the real-time location of you and your friends and family, and displays the account avatar in the position. You can tap on any avatar to see the real-time location and historical location of others. You can also see the real-time location of all circle members by tapping the head button at the bottom left of the interface. Tap the arrow button at the bottom right corner. The map focus will return to your location. You can check in if you want to notify your member that I am here. Then you could click the button, Check In. Then the circle owner will receive a notification of foreign check-in that your member has checked in here. How to add new places. First, tap the places on the main screen. You can see that there are some preset addresses in the app, such as school, home, gym, office, etc. You can get notified when other circle members enter or leave. If you are a parent, you could always receive a notification that your child has reached school, has come home, or has gone to the park. You can customize some new circles. Firstly, click Add New Place, and you can create a public place so that each member can receive dynamic reminders from other members. But please note that only the circle admin can create it. Or you can create a private circle. Only you can receive reminders. When you chose the place type, tap Next, then enter the name of the address, circle the diameter of the geofence, and click Save in the upper right corner. How to monitor driving records. Here is another amazing feature, Driving Report. First, tap the driving on the main screen. How much distance has the member covered, and how many kilometers is he going, and when and where? If you want to check a member's driving report, it's easy. Just click to find a member's name. Done. You can clearly see his driving data, and there you have it. You're now all set to use the Geonection app to stay connected and keep track of your loved ones' locations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and app tutorials.